Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor, October 1st. We've got kind of some mixed markets today. We had a very strong day on Friday after USDA came out with some bullish numbers for their quarterly stock report. Corn finding a little bit of follow-through right now, up about 6 cents. Beans, though, down 9.5, with wheat pulling back about 8.5 cents. So corn continuing to find a little bit of strength. You're hearing all sorts out there, but we are going to see harvested pace here this afternoon, and probably going to see some pretty strong numbers there. At this point here, if corn does continue to rally, we may end up seeing some harvest pressure on top of that, but we need to see some demand come back in. We saw the markets drop back here the last few weeks because lack of demand. Well, bullish report, higher prices. Is that going to bring demand back? We'll have to see what that does. We need to get some export sales in here. Export sales have been very poor over the last few weeks. So we have to find some demand here in order to keep these prices at these levels. Otherwise, we are susceptible to see pricing come back down again. As far as beans and wheat, we are pulling back right now with South American weather looking to be pretty good over the next few weeks. Guys are going to get in the fields and get planted. And then follow up with some rain after that. It's pretty ideal conditions here as far as getting some stuff done in South America. And then the wheat, news out of Australia that they are getting some rains over areas that needed it desperately. And that's going to improve their wheat crop and really try to help things out there. But a lot of emotion is going to be pushed around here this week. We do have China that is gone all week. They're on holiday all week, so we're not going to get any Chinese buying beans or anything. They are off this week. So we'll see if that does take the volume down, and as well maybe keep a cap on the price movement as well. But we'll see. Like I said, there are some issues yet with the grains that we need to see. The USDA report was friendly, but this week, we'll see. Now that we're at these higher prices, demand is a big key factor, so continue to watch that. As far as some of the outside markets, the dollar down about 14 cents. So we are pulling back a little bit there. Kind of just more chopping more than anything, not really finding direction. Crude oil unchanged, so pretty quiet and tame. Same thing with the stock market and the S&P. As far as livestock, steady, maybe a little bit lower here for your nearby contracts. Box beef came in quite a bit lower on Friday. Choice down $3.06. Select down $2.66. This is after seeing cash trading $3 lower last week out of Kansas. Still some very negative signals yet for cattle. We do need to see some stronger cash pricing come in here, maybe to firm this market up a little bit. But right now, things do look a little bit weak. As far as hogs, we're probably going to start off a little bit lower here, steady to maybe lower in the hogs. We're at a seasonal point, though, that we tend to see a decline now from hogs. We end up seeing this slide back into the end of the month. So rallies right now could be capped with some selling here as we get more into a seasonal mode. October is National Pork Month, but we ended up rallying going into it, and then we typically peak out this first week and end up sliding here as we get into the end of the year. So be careful with that for hogs. Seasonally, we could see some pressure here for hogs and maybe push some prices lower again. Give us a call with questions that you have. You can reach us over here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great day today, and I'll talk to you a little later. Take care.